Hi, my name is Hilary Wong, and I'm a librarian here at SUNY Cortland, and I'm actually your librarian in biology. I'm your go-to person whenever you are researching the literature. If you have any questions or any issues, or aren't finding what you need, I'm happy to help you. And you can reach out to me. My contact information is listed under the Contact Me tab of this tutorial. So Dr. Chatfield has asked me to create a tutorial for you as the writing intensive students to help you with your research papers and your annotated bibliographies. And yes, there's some basic OneSearch review, but a lot of it is bigger picture stuff. Things you should be thinking about while you're researching. How to tell what primary literature is as opposed to other kinds of literature. When to save your sources and when to actually read them, things like that. And also some higher level search strategies, especially subject headings, because if you haven't used them yet, now would be a really good time because they'll really save you a lot of time and effort. So anyway, please work through this tutorial, go through each of the tabs on the left, and then when you're done, there's a little activity at the bottom. There's a link to it, and it's a virtual escape room, except instead of escaping a room, you're escaping the library. And you can refer to the tutorial as you go. Should be fairly easy for you, but please do it so that I can give your information to Dr. Chatfield and she can give you credit. Please reach out to me if you have questions and have fun.